Write an algebraic expression that is equivalent to the given expression. 1 minus sine of arc cosine of 3x squared. First, let y equals arc cosine of 3x. Then, by definition of arc cosine, cosine of y equals 3x, or 3x divided by 1. Next, draw a right triangle and label one of the acute angles y. Recall that cosine of y equals the length of the side adjacent to y divided by the length of the hypotenuse. So, label the length of the side adjacent to angle y 3x and the length of the hypotenuse 1. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the side opposite to angle y. Write 3x squared plus the length of the side opposite to angle y squared equals 1 squared. Simplify and subtract 9x squared from each side of the equation to get the length of the side opposite to angle y squared equals 1 minus 9x squared. Take a positive square root of each side to get the length of the side opposite to angle y equals the square root of the quantity 1 minus 9x squared. Next, write the original given expression, 1 minus sine of arc cosine of 3x squared. Next, substitute y for arc cosine of 3x. You will get 1 minus sine of y squared. Next, recall that sine of y equals the length of the side opposite to angle y divided by the length of the hypotenuse. Next, substitute the square root of the quantity 1 minus 9x squared for the length of the side opposite to angle y, and 1 for the length of the hypotenuse. You will get 1 minus the square root of the quantity 1 minus 9x squared divided by 1 squared. Simplify to get 1 minus the quantity 1 minus 9x squared, or 1 minus 1 plus 9x squared, or 9x squared. Note that for the expression to be defined, x has to be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1/3.